Hey, what if one AI Chrome extension could replace three of your go-to tools? There's a new one that's doing exactly that, and people are calling it a game changer. Google's quietly rolling out Gemini AI Mode and Project Mariner. These are two powerful AI updates inside Chrome. These aren't just assistants because they act like smart agents inside your browser. Airs, and they're already replacing extensions for shopping, tab management, and even content summaries. Let's start with smart shopping. Users are prompting Gemini AI to analyze a recipe web page and automatically add the ingredients to an online cart. That's something people used to rely on extensions like Harpa AI, Honey, or Amazon Assistant to do. Now, the browser does it for you, hands-free. Next up, we have tab overload. Google Chrome recently introduced AI-powered tab organizer, and it's getting even smarter. With Gemini Mode, your tabs can be grouped by what you're actually working on, like content, research, or admin, automatically. No more dragging tabs around or using tools like OneTab or Toby. And here's where it gets really useful: in-browser summarizing. Instead of copying content into ChatGPT or using an Otter.ai plugin, Gemini AI lets you highlight any block of text, like an email or PDF, and ask for a summary right there. It's fast, clean, and replaces tools like Perplexity, TLDR This, or Glasp. What's wild is that these tools aren't even fully rolled out yet. They're still in early access, but they hint at something big. Soon, your browser might be your VA. No more 15 different extensions, just one smart agent built in. Google calls this the agentic era, where AI doesn't just answer questions, but does stuff for you. Project Mariner and Gemini AI Mode are at the center of that shift. So, what would you replace if one extension could handle it all? A note taker? A calendar manager? A research assistant? Food for thought, and until next time, bye.